Bonjour.
Bonjour. We are doing a box, and Cindy and I were looking at this box. Oh, by the way, we're Sisters with Stitches. We're so excited about this box.
Debbie.
And it's called, I think it's Belier.
Belier.
Here's how, I found a translator.
Yeah, because we knew it was French.
So listen, here's how she's saying it.
Belier.
Belier.
I'll do it again.
Belier.
Belier.
But
So,
it could be
They
Americanized.
sound much prettier in French.
Yeah.
If you have a French accent. I don't have a French accent.
But this is what it is. Okay, so Belier. I don't know. But they sent us a card. We're previewing this box because it is a new box to our channel. So they gave us the box in exchange for a review. And she said, thank you for taking the time helping people discover brands and products. And I never really thought that's what we were doing, but that's what we're doing. And we're help promoting women-owned businesses.
She made us feel so much more important than we actually
she
are.
says, I enjoyed watching your videos. You guys are awesome. Love, Adriana. So this is a company, and let me tell you what their mission is. It's pretty good.
To provide
Us
all natural products and
that are gentle
good for
and
the
safe for our
environment.
skin, and all the recipes are formulated with natural ingredients chosen for their therapeutic benefits, and all of their packaging is recyclable. So this is not a subscription box service. It is a company where you can buy the products individually, or they do have gift baskets if you want to buy a gift basket, and they do look fabulous on their website.
And they'll theme the gift baskets too.
Yeah,
They
so
theme
we've
them.
got a 15% off referral code, so if you like it, it's a pretty
I'm
nice
excited
discount.
because I would prefer to go to a website and buy what I want.
So, some in here smells good, but that's how it came.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm not going to tell you what the prices are right now because I thought they would put a card in here and it doesn't look like they did, but I'll look it up on their website and I'll scroll it up on top so you'll know exactly what it is. So I'll pull out this first thing.
And they just put some products in
Yeah,
here for
just
us
so
to
we
show
can
you.
sample their products. So this is a
lip balm.
Belier lavender lip balm, and they gave you a little spoon, which is nice because sometimes it's hard to get this out. But
I don't think.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, it's the lavender.
Yeah, smells really good.
Did you guys know that lavender is one plant that deer won't eat?
Really?
Yeah, I have it planted by my house and they've yet to touch it. And asking around, I asked some horticulturists, what can I plant that deer won't eat? And they said lavender, anything with a silver leaf, marigolds, snapdragons. They did tell me geraniums, but they already chowed my geraniums, so I wouldn't go with that one. But
all right, so this must be like she sent us. This is the Belier, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name.
Belier.
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 But they might Americanize it. I don't know. But this is the Calm Lavender Soap. And it's nice because it's not heavily scented. It's just very nice. Very nice. And creamy.
I'm really picky about my soaps, so let's see. I have to feel them when they're not wet, and if they leave your skin soft. And this one leaves your skin soft. Look.
It passes Debbie's test.
Look. Now feel your skin. If it doesn't leave your hand soft, it's not going to leave it soft just because it's wet.
Yeah, so that's nice.
Let's see. Love the smell it leaves on your skin too.
All right, nice. So it's just a little, here it is called their Calm Soap. All right. And then we have, their Calm Bath Salts, lavender and geranium.
After watching our video, she sent us all calming products. Maybe she saw one of those glazed over looks.
Don't take too deep of it because you'll get the salts in your nose, but very nice. No, Deb, wake up. We got a video to finish. Very nice. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So it's like scented Epsom
I like bath salts, but I gotta be honest, I like bubble baths better because
I don't.
I can get down in the bubbles, and then when my husband walks in, I don't have to worry about anything showing that's ripply or bubbly.
No, I don't like the bubbles parts of it.
Oh, I love it. I love bubbles.
And then,
Rather salt, too.
then we got a Belier Calm Body Scrub. Nice.
It must smell like the soap and the other
Yeah.
stuff. It seems like it's all in the same.
Oh, yeah. Nice. I want to take just
I'm
a little.
already calmer, Cindy. Tell me anything you might not have wanted to tell me earlier. I'm calm enough to handle it.
Let's see, I stole something of yours when we were back in school. I don't know. Oh, that's nice.
Always stole my. She always took my clothes. God forbid I took hers, or I had to pay her $1 per piece.
I know, we already told them all this. So, this was
Well,
just
we
a
might have
little.
new subscribers that don't hear those stories.
Okay,
from
then I'm going to put our
10,000 videos
PJ
ago.
Chat link there so that you can get to know us a little bit better. So this
I
was
like
a
the
nice
calm.
sampling of.
I'm hoping they have that whipped butter.
Well, we'll have to go take a look. So they gave us, now again, this is not a subscription box, but go and check it out. You saw all the pricing. So we got a little bit of so they've got some lip products. They've got handmade soaps, again, all plant-based. And we got ourselves some nice bath salts and some nice body scrubs that the lavender and the geraniums smell fabulous together.
Fabulous. Like
A couple
this.
people said, when you guys were sniffing the soaps, I was doing this. So here, go ahead.
It's so calming. I actually want to sit next to Cindy and just lay my head on her shoulder.
So, with that.
That's very nice. I'm going to go into their website and check it out.
Yeah.
I hope you have whipped butter or whipped soap. That's my new craze. That I'm into that.
That's nice. But the
I bet you
calm
they
didn't
do. I
work.
bet you they have it.
Calm didn't work.
This is calm. This is calm for me.
Yeah, true. All right, so just like she said, we just want to bring to women-owned businesses and just give you new samples. I really like that she said that because I never realized that that's what we were doing.
Yeah,
I mean,
well,
I did,
John
but I
always
didn't-
says to Cindy, so what are your videos about? You just open boxes?
Yeah.
People watch that? Yeah, it's all over
3,500 of them do.
YouTube. Well, there's women that have 100,000 followers that open boxes.
Yeah.
So why aren't we? I mean, what are we doing wrong?
We're getting out there. We're just not 20 and skinny.
Well, I don't even think it's that because I watch some of them and they're not skinny either. But we don't do it full time either, so
No,
we
we
just do
don't.
it for fun.
We don't.
Anyway,
So I'll put all the information below with our referral code to get 15% off to try it. And I'm telling you, I have to go and see what their other products are. We should have done that before the video, and I'm
I
ashamed
know.
that we didn't. But I will tell you that it does smell nice. The soaps are creamy.
they make your skin feel soft without being wet.
And I just threw out, when I put up this last video, and Debbie was talking about my soaps, and I went and I smelled them, and anyone that was losing some scent, I threw them out, and all the new soaps that we just got in the last few boxes, I put them all nice in my little container so Debbie can pick her own scent when she comes over. So, anyway, all right, so we're going to go. We've got a few more videos to do, so please stay tuned because we are going to do our giveaway video, and I want you to hit that notify bell, and I want you to subscribe because it's going to be a really nice giveaway. So,
What is the shelf life on soap, by the way? Does anybody know?
I don't know, but you know what I did? All the soaps that we got that weren't wrapped in plastic, I used those first because I think
I
when
wonder
they're
if we wrap them in saran wrap, if they would stay
hold
longer.
their scent, maybe. Any of you guys know? I don't know. All you soap makers out there, how long does the soap last before the scent goes away? And I know soap can still clean, but I have
And
so
we
much
use it
soap
for
that
scent oriented. Both of
once
us
it
are.
loses its scent, it's like, all right, bye-bye.
Yeah.
You know, that's one thing that, you know, I am not in that mood to do the minimalization thing. And I know a lot of people just keep the soap, and then when they get too small, they put them in a bag and they keep using them. It's like me. That's the one thing I don't skimp on is soap. It's like, loses its scent,
She
bye-bye.
doesn't skimp on anything. She lives alone. She does whatever she wants to do, and I envy her.
You just
I-
envy having an
I
empty
had-
house.
I had to empty my bathroom cabinets because my husband was like, "You have so much stuff in there. You can't pull anything out without 10 things falling over." So I had to unload a bunch of stuff, and then every time I turn around, he's wanting me to downsize more. It's getting to be like, I feel like I should be on Tiny House Nation or something.
Well, it's just like John. He's got like 4 pair of shoes, pair of sandals, pair of gym shoes, 1 pair of dress shoes that never get worn, and he like wears the same. It's like, how do you survive on 4 pair of shoes?
Well, I probably have 25 pairs of jeans, and I thought I should get rid of half of these. And then you pick them up like,
yeah,
oh, I don't want to get rid of
yeah,
these. I like these.
yeah.
Or, oh man, I like those. I just put them all back on my shelf and thought, that's one thing I am not getting rid of.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
All right, so thanks so much for spending a few minutes with us. Go check out the website. Again, it's plant-based. It's all eco-friendly, and we like helping support women-owned businesses. So
We do.
with that, we'll say adieu.
Adios.
This is French.
Au revoir. Au revoir.
What is adieu?
Adieu.
Adieu. I don't know. I don't know French.
Adieu.
I know parlez-vous français, but and voulez-vous coucher avec?
No, it's voulez-vous coucher avec moi.
Coucher avec
Do you want to go
moi.
to bed with me?
No thanks.
Well, that's the
She
song.
snores, so.
Like she's Miss Quiet, you know?
All right. We'll talk about that in our PJ chat.
She
All
doesn't
right.
hear with the fan blasting in your ears.
Goodbye, everyone. Can't give out too many secrets.